Usually the challenge with
Different
these
sector.
kind of problems is that there is a business problem and then there is a technology problem. The
Right.
technology
Yeah.
problem was quite easy, I guess. I mean, people were able
Yes.
to come up with a pipeline and do the stuff. But when they got into the business problem of understanding the data, validating the data, cleansing the data, transforming the data as per the requirements, that's where it becomes a little bit more iterative process. They figure, so they try something out, it didn't work, and then they try something else and it didn't work. It takes a lot more time to get to the point where the business problem is solved. I guess, I mean, Pratik and Rahul can probably talk about it. The problem statement, the way the solution was expected to be structured was there is this limited CPU
Memory.
and memory, which
CPU.
means they
Yes.
have to use a Dockerized container for deploying the application. There were some people who were not even
Exactly.
familiar with Docker.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
Yes.
a lot
So
of
what was the
people
price?
were. So yeah, so it was interesting. I mean, some people had to learn Docker, how to use a Docker
We
during the
help them.
hackathon
During the hackathon.
and get it done. And the other part of it is when you are I mean, you also have an integration piece because the evaluation framework was a custom built API platform where it receives the responses from the candidates, from the hackathon participants, and calculates the value. So if you don't integrate properly, you can end up sending the wrong information, and then the output would be wrong, and then the calculated results would be wrong. So it involves a lot of different factors or the different parts of engineering and implementation. So we were looking at a holistic, I mean, holistic quality, right? I mean, it's not just about writing Python code. I mean, anybody can write Python code, but understanding the problem statement, fitting it into the solution, and then making sure to use the ecosystem in the right way. Those are the challenges that they were evaluated on.